Ellen DeGeneres just forked over $49 million for a marvelous Montecito mansion, and she paid all cash. Ellen has been a fan of extravagant real estate since the early 2000s when she started buying up and selling off luxurious multi-million-dollar properties. But this new Montecito compound with neighbors that include Prince Harry and Oprah is on a whole nother level. It's the most expensive home she's ever bought, and it features everything from a barn to a lily pond, complete with its own boat. Here's a look inside the sprawling estate and Ellen's very expensive real estate history. Ellen DeGeneres has an estimated net worth of $370 million, and her wife Portia de Rossi is worth about $50 million. With that kind of money, they can buy their fair share of gorgeous luxury homes, and they have. But none are more opulent than this $49 million estate in Montecito, California, that Ellen reportedly paid for in all cash in an exclusive off-market deal. The deal, which officially closed in September 2020, is the comedian's most expensive home purchase ever. The home belonged to former Saturday Night Live cast member Dennis Miller and his wife, model Carolyn Espley Miller, who paid $11 million for the property in 2006 and spent nearly a decade renovating it to perfection. Ellen's new compound is described as South African Cape Dutch style, and the sprawling 4.3-acre property resembles a tiny village more than a typical luxury California home. It sits behind high walls and tall gates for the utmost privacy, and there are at least 5 separate buildings on the property. Basically, Ellen and Portia have the space to do whatever they want there. They can go for a hike while staying on their own property, or take a boat across their own lake. The first and biggest structure is a 9,000 square foot mansion, and it's a stunner. Inside, there's a spacious kitchen and a luxe dining room, as well as a cozy living room complete with a large fireplace. There are plenty of natural elements like rustic wood beams, and many gorgeous views can be enjoyed through the home's large, picturesque windows. There's also lots of open space with charming firewood storage, gorgeous black and white tiling, and glass doors that lead into the lush green garden. While photos are few because the home has never been officially on the market, aerial views show off the property's 4 other buildings, which include a guest house, pool house, detached garage with enough space for more than 30 vehicles, and a barn designed by award-winning architect Tom Kundig. Ellen and Portia love to infuse their homes with lots of nature and outdoorsy activities. Thankfully, this Montecito estate comes with multiple jogging paths, an infinity pool with a gorgeous view that looks over the entire property, and a central lily pond the size of a small lake. It even comes stocked with fish and ducks, and there's a small rowboat and a dock that can be used for a serene boat ride across the water. There's also whimsical stone paths throughout the yard, leading to some of the quiet green spaces where Ellen and Portia can go to just relax and get away from all the pressures of fame. The home is estimated to have about 16,000 square feet of total living space across the 5 buildings. There's also plenty of living to do in the property's many gorgeous gardens, which the previous owners used to grow organic fruits and vegetables, including sweet peas, strawberries, and lavender. There are also plenty of mature trees planted along the property, such as almond and fig trees. There are even lush green hillsides and plenty of hidden outdoor seating areas for the couple to enjoy. And we're sure all that sprawling yard space will be appreciated by their many pets. So why exactly is Montecito such a coveted compound location for 2 millionaires? Well, while Montecito is already one of the most luxurious places for wealthy people to buy large private properties, Ellen's house is located in one of the most private and exclusive areas, the Santa Barbara enclave, which the average price of a home is $3.4 million according to Zillow. Covering approximately 9 square miles, the wealthy town is known for its gorgeous natural surroundings, proximity to pristine beaches, and its many historic estates. The weather there is even better than elsewhere in California, with mild temperatures that make enjoying all that outdoor space so much more comfortable. The area also comes with some pretty fancy neighbors. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle bought a nearly $15 million home here in 2020, and Oprah Winfrey, Rob Lowe, Katy Perry, and Orlando Bloom all have mansions in the area. While Ellen's $49 million purchase is among the priciest deals ever recorded in Santa Barbara, she's not the only one trying to snatch up a touch of nature in this private borough during a pandemic. Homes in Santa Barbara have been selling at an 80% increase in year-to-date sales over 2019, with wealthy Californians hoping to get the most out of their money with their own private outdoor activities and spacious gardens that allow them to try their hand in living off the land. Getting a home here isn't always easy, though. Of course, they're expensive, but there's also a limit to how many homes are available. Santa Barbara is protected from overdevelopment to preserve the area's natural landscape and spacious properties, which means it takes a lot of searching as well as a lot of money to find the perfect mansion. Fortunately, house shopping in Montecito is a piece of cake for someone as real estate savvy as Ellen. Ellen DeGeneres is no real estate newbie. The talk show host and her actress wife have been snatching up and flipping luxury homes in California for years. They've bought and sold more than 20 properties since they started flipping homes in 2003, with many purchases and sales in the last couple of years taking place right here in Montecito. In 2019, they spent $29 million on a Bali-style Montecito compound that they sold in 2020 for $33.3 million. Like their new Montecito property, the home features a gigantic yard with lots of green space, trees and gardens, as well as a huge pool. The inside of the home incorporates the natural elements the couple loves, the real stone and wood, and the indoor and outdoor fireplaces, like this stunning one. In July of 2020, the couple sold one of their Montecito estates for $34 million, that they'd originally bought for $28.8 million. This home also has a huge yard and comfortable and exotic outdoor seating areas, as well as those raw materials Ellen and Portia love. It's easy to see a theme in their taste in homes, especially when looking at the gorgeous sunroom and its view, which peers out across the lavish pool. In August of 2020, the couple struck Montecito real estate gold again when they bought another Montecito home for $27 million and sold it a couple months later for $29 million. With tons of glass doors, a green courtyard, fireplaces galore, and lots of antique wood, it's easy to see how this house and its fancy fountain caught the couple's eye. There's also one extravagant home that Ellen and Portia have in Beverly Hills that seemed to be their second pride and joy, right after their new Montecito estate. And it takes a lot to compete with that kind of splendor. Adam Levine and his wife Behati Prinsloo bought this Tudor-style mansion for $33.9 million, and Ellen and Portia scooped it up for $45 million in 2019. They seem to be enjoying this one, and it's 10,376 square feet of indoor space. There's a jumbo private movie theater, a huge dining room perfect for dinner parties, and a living room complete with another fireplace. And of course, it's also got a gorgeous backyard and a rustic pool surrounded by stone. So there's really just one question left. Why are Ellen and Portia always moving? It seems like it would be hard to give up all these luxurious homes, but they have their reasons. Ellen admits that they don't just flip homes and move around a lot just for the money they end up making, but because she and Portia get easily bored living in the same old house all the time. When they want a new look and get a craving to have something fun decorating a brand new space, they sell a few homes and buy more to replace them. Always keeping things fresh. As you can see, they definitely have a type when it comes to mansions, and they're constantly one-upping themselves when it comes to real estate. If they're spending almost $50 million on houses now, then we can't wait to see what's next for this millionaire couple and their collection of pricey properties. Want to know just how much Ellen has really dedicated to real estate? It's estimated she spent about $200 million buying and flipping homes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.